Good morning, everyone. It's Trina Craig with Citrus Twist Kits, and I'm here to do a little bit of kit love with you for our November gratitude kit. I'm going to start with our little insert card. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. And what I've got laid out on my table right now are the vellum die cuts that come in this month's gratitude kit that launches tomorrow night. Halloween beginning at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Next, I'm going to share with you some of the printables that come with the kit. In every kit, you get a printed sheet of labels that you can cut out and use on your layouts. And in addition to that, you get a free downloadable file as a Citrus Twist Kits Life Crafted Kit subscriber. These are designed by Caitlin Schaefer, and it is a beautiful sheet of cut-aparts that completely fit our theme of gratitude for the month of November. Now I'm going to move right on to our collection of 6x8 papers. I'm going to lay them out over the top of our printed ephemera. And these are designs that come exclusive to our kit, and they tie in beautifully with all of the stories that you can tell this month for a month that is filled and full of gratitude and changing seasons. And I know you're going to love how these colors combine. You also get our 3x8 bookmark that comes in with the kit. These work wonderfully, not only on pages, but also tucked into our Life Crafted albums. And you get a couple of 4x6 landscape format cards. I love these little moon and suns for the hours of the day. And these are all the journaling cards designed by Caitlin Schaefer as well. And then I'll do a quick flip through of the 3x4 cards that come in this month's gratitude kit. And when I say this month, I do mean tomorrow night when this kit launches at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Beautiful little cards that fit perfectly with Project Life on your layouts and also fit into our 3x4 pocket sleeves that you can order to go with our Life Crafted album. So those are our 3x4 cards. We've thrown in, here's the little title card. We've thrown in a couple of little engraved wood chips, pumpkin spice, and fall faves for you to sprinkle on your pages this month. And in line with the topic of grateful, we've got our 3x4 Life Crafted Kit stamp set. Great phrases I know you'll love working with. We've got some beautiful chipboard. I really like this matte finish to these chipboards, and you'll find lots of uses for these on your layouts. And again, the colors just lend themselves very, very well to fall and gratitude. And also for those of you down under, for all the beautiful colors that are starting to show up in your landscape. We've got some tiny word stickers printed on a nice hard cardstock to add to your pages. And we've got puffy stickers. You can never have too many puffy stickers. And we've got our brand new product, our glitter. It's coppery gold glitter alphabet stickers. The glitter is on top of a white foam. I think you can see that in this lighting. And there are 2 sheets, so you get 2 full sheets that add up to the entire alphabet, plus a few extra shapes and icons. And to finish it all off, let me add in these printables and the cut-aparts. I'm going to share a couple of the pages that I have made with this month's kit so far, and these were just standard 8.5x11 layouts. I've really been enjoying playing with these vellum leaves, telling my stories, using these beautiful glitter alphabet foam stickers on my layouts, and building my layers with the beautiful 6x8 papers. And here is another layout again, 8.5x11. I haven't started working in my Life Crafted album yet for November, but that is coming up soon in the days to be after we finish kit shipping. So that is our fall November Gratitude Life Crafted Kit that begins shipping on Monday, November 4th. Thanks for stopping by, and you all have a wonderful month, and I can't wait to hear all of your gratitude stories. Take care till next month. Bye-bye.